In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make Steam Games auto-update on your PC, ensuring that your favorite titles are always ready to play the moment you sit down at your computer. If you have ever been frustrated by clicking the play button only to be met with a massive patch download that takes hours to complete, then this video is specifically for you. We are going to dive deep into the specific settings within the Steam client that manage how and when your games receive their latest data. This method is the absolute best way to stay on top of new content, bug fixes, and security patches without having to manually check for updates every single day. Before we jump into these steps, if you find this guide helpful and want to see more gaming optimization tips to improve your PC experience, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more 2026 tech guides. Alright, let us get right into the process. The first step you need to take is to open the Steam application on your Windows or Mac computer. Once the application is up and running, look at the top navigation bar and go to your library. This is where all of your purchased and installed games are listed in detail. Now, scroll through your list of games and find the specific title you want to prioritize for automatic updates. When you have found the game, right-click on the game title in your sidebar or on its banner in the main window. From the context menu that appears, you need to navigate down and click on Properties. This will open a new pop-out window with several categories on the left-hand side. From this side menu, click to open the Updates tab. This section contains all the specialized settings for how Steam handles background data for this specific software. Within the Updates menu, you will see a drop-down menu under the section labeled Automatic Updates. By default, Steam might have this set to only update when you launch the game, which is exactly why you have to wait for downloads. Instead, you want to click that drop-down and set it to Always keep this game updated or immediately download updates. This tells Steam that as soon as the developers release a patch, your PC should start the download immediately, even if you are not currently playing that specific game. But we are not done yet, because there is one more global setting you should be aware of to ensure this works perfectly across your entire system. If you want to make sure your PC allows these downloads even while you are playing other games, stay tuned as we look at the main download settings. Go to the main Steam menu at the top left of your screen, click on Settings, and then navigate to the Download section. Here, you should make sure that the option to allow downloads during gameplay is checked if you have a fast enough internet connection. This ensures that a large update for a different game won't be paused just because you are playing a small indie title. Another great tip is to ensure that you do not have any download restrictions or scheduled maintenance windows that might block Steam from working in the background. By combining these specific game properties with the general download settings, you effectively eliminate the wait time for game patches. This is perfect for competitive gamers who need the latest balance changes, or for anyone with limited gaming time who cannot afford to waste 30 minutes on a progress bar. And that is it. You have successfully configured your Steam games to auto-update on your PC. If this video helped you get back into the game faster, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and happy gaming.